This is a 2023 Thor Windsport 34J. This unit has a GVWR of 22,000 pounds. Length on this unit is 35 feet 9 inches. Your fresh water is 50 gallons, black water is 40 gallons, and your gray water is also 40 gallons. Awning size on this unit is 18 feet. Hi guys, Jevon with RV Wholesalers. Today we're going to walk through the Windsport Class A motorhome. This is the 34J. This does sit on a Ford V8 chassis, but let's get into it and see what this unit has for you. On the passenger side, or what we call the entry side, you've got plenty of storage here down below throughout. Nice automatic awning for you with LED lighting, really light up that campsite for you. Moving on down, you've got your propane for you here. Then your exterior entertainment area, nice little TV for you that can close up, don't have to take that on and off or anything. Additional storage below for your batteries and everything, really makes that nice for you, nice and accessible. The 34J does give you an exterior kitchen. It gives you a nice little sink, and then your fridge on the outside as well, with a little bit of storage here above your sink for you, drawers below for some silverware or whatever you might want as well. Last compartment on the entry side here, a nice little deep well cabinet for you. Again, nice amount of storage for you on this unit. Windsport does give you roof access with the ladder here. You do also get receiver hitch on the back of this unit as an accessory hitch. Driver's side, you've got storage again throughout. You've got your generator, and then also your water and sewer hookups are going to be on this side as well. Let's take a step inside and see what's on the inside of this unit. All right, so above your driving area, your cockpit area, you do have another bunk. They do have pins on both sides there. That way when you've got it up, you can put those in. It's not going to come down. And then a nice little control here, and can lower that bed right down for you. I know it's going to get a little bit loud, but that's, you know, when you're using it, you see it, and when you don't, it really kind of blends in with it. Gives you a nice little sleeping space up above your cockpit area for you. So again, got a spot here for the bed, ladder to get up into the bed, and a decent size bed for you as well. This is also a bunkhouse model, so we do have some additional sleeping spaces that we're going to show you as we go through this unit. All right, so here we are in the cab area of the Windsport. As you can see, plenty of space, a nice little control center for you. You've got your auto leveling. Then this unit does have your sunshade that you can put down to block the windshield, as we have, you know, so we don't wash you out with the sunlight coming in here. But really gives you the privacy when you're parked somewhere. But you can also put it down partially depending on where the sun's hitting you. Really makes it nice for you. Gives you a nice large screen entertainment radio area for you as well beside the driver's seat. And then your passenger seat does have a nice little table work area. If your spouse or whoever you're traveling with wants to get some work done while you're on the road, really sets it up nicely for you there as well. So right behind the cockpit area, you've got your couch. This is going to lower down as well, flat. Can be another sleeping area for a small child if you need or whatever. And then your dinette here. This is also going to sit down and turn into a sleeping space for you as well. So with this unit, bunk above the cab, the couch and dinette, and then this is again a bunkhouse model. So we've got a couple of more beds we're going to see yet. So can really travel with quite a few people in this unit, which really makes it nice. TV for the entertainment right above this dinette as well. So let's check out the kitchen and see what's it's got to offer for you. All right, guys, so as I mentioned, this unit does sleep several, so you know, it kind of makes sense to give you a nice space for food prep for different meals, and they do that quite nicely. Gives you a nice little countertop space here for prep, nice double-sided sink, And of course your residential sprayer nozzle on that really makes it nice. Gives you storage here up above, as well as plenty of storage down below, and some drawers here as well for you to store all that food for the clan that you're camping with and everything. Beside it, you're going to get your 3-burner stove, oven below that, and then up above here as well, you're going to get your microwave for you for those quick meals you need. This unit gives you a nice size fridge. Again, plenty of space to store your cold food, freezer space, beverages, whatever you might need. Get beside it, got a nice spot here for a pantry. Gives you a couple of slide out drawers, and then some shelves, upper shelves for spices, food, dry food, whatever you might need. All right, guys, so the Windsport gives you a nice little control panel here, touch screen. You can really tell a lot of what's going on in the unit with this. As the setting is here, you can see the levels of your fresh gray and black tanks, the voltage on your house batteries, your temperature for your thermostat and everything. And then there's different settings here. You can check on your generator. You can set it to turn on at a certain volt so that if you're camping overnight, you need more power, it'll automatically kick on for you. Control all of your lights. Again, a little bit more detailed of your thermostat. Your awning can even be operated by this panel as well. And then lastly is going to be your settings and give you your time, screen brightness, adjust all of that. Really makes it nice for you all in one spot so you can see what's going on. Let's check out the bathroom here and see what it's got to offer. All right, guys, so here we are in the bathroom. For everything they throw in this unit, they still give you a fairly decent sized bathroom. Nice size shower, nice and tall. Does give you a skylight if you need some extra headroom, but even myself at 6'3", I don't even think I would have to use that skylight for some extra space. And then a nice little sliding door for the shower. Get your floor flush toilet in here. Gives you some storage up above that as well. And then you do get a nice little bathroom sink. Hang your towel, medicine cabinet, and some small storage underneath the sink. So again, not a whole lot, but for everything they're putting in here, still gives you some space in the bathroom. So let's check out the bunk room. All right, guys, so this is the bunk area on the unit. Nice space for you. The top bunk here will fold up. You can actually turn this into a closet area if you're not using it as bunks. Gives you a nice rod at the top here for some hanging your clothes and everything. Do get 110 outlet, USB, and then they also give you a mount for tablet or whatever for you on both the upper and lower bunk. And then you can close this off, if they want some extra privacy while they're sleeping. Or like I said, you turn it into a closet, you can close that, and your clothes aren't just going to be out for everybody. So that's the bunk area, really nice space. Right across from it, before we get into the bedroom, does give you some smaller storage here for you, keep movies, whatever. Not a lot of storage, but really makes it nice. I know some people will turn that into like a jewelry cabinet and keep their necklaces and stuff right there nice and handy. All right, guys, so this is the main bedroom area. Gives you a nice size bed back here. Nice rear window for you. The wardrobe is really nice in this unit. Gives you plenty of storage for some additional clothes. This unit actually has the table there you can see in the back. That actually sits up in the front cockpit. Gives you space while you're traveling, or when you're parked, gives you a little extra table space. Gives you 4 great drawers underneath for some clothes storage. And then they give you storage above the bed as well as beside. Do get your USB, and then your other side there gives you your 110 outlet as well. So This has been the Windsport 34J. I appreciate you guys taking your time to go through it with me. If you've got questions on anything I've gone over or any other units we've got available, feel free to give us a call. You can reach myself at extension 1000. Love the chance to go over everything with you, answer your questions, and maybe get you out there camping here soon. You guys have a great day. Thank you.